When most people think of Amazon, they think of fast shipping and Prime Day deal. But if you look deeper, you'll see a company that's evolving into one of the most powerful and diversified growth engines on the planet. Today, we'll break down why Amazon is my favorite stock from its growth history to revenue strength and what analysts expect next. Let's dive in. Amazon didn't start as the giant it is today. It began as an online bookstore in the mid-1990s and quickly scaled into the everything store. Over the last 2 decades, Amazon has expanded into e-commerce and fulfillment, cloud computing, AWS, digital advertising, subscription services, Prime, logistics and delivery infrastructure, and even AI and robotics. What's special is that it doesn't just sell things, it owns the platforms that make global commerce and computing possible. Let's break down where Amazon makes its money. E-commerce, sales the core of the business, but profit margins here are competitive. 2. Amazon Web Services, AWS, the profit engine with higher margins than retail. 3. Advertising revenue growing fast, leveraging the massive shopping audience. 4. Subscriptions, Prime, recurring revenue with strong retention. Each of these business lines works together. Prime drives loyalty, which fuels sales, which feeds AWS and advertising. Here's where it gets exciting, the forward projections. E-commerce still has room to grow. Even with competition, Amazon's scale, your fulfillment network, your brand, keep it dominant. AWS remains a cloud leader. AWS continually captures enterprise workloads, and cloud spending is expected to grow double digits for years. Advertising is a fast-growing segment. Brands pay more to target Prime customers, and Amazon's ad business is becoming a major profit contributor. New growth drivers, AI and logistics tech. Amazon is integrating AI into its supply chain. A deliver a follow we see customer personalization, building a competitive edge that's hard to replicate. When I evaluate Amazon as a long-term investor, I look at a few core metrics. Revenue growth rate consistent and accelerating in key segments. Operating margins improving outside of low margin retail. Free cash flow. Amazon generates cash that it reinvests into growth. Market share gains in cloud and digital ads. These are the data points that tell us this isn't a one-hit wonder, it's a diversified growth machine. So why is Amazon my favorite stock? Because it's not a one-product company, it's a platform of platforms. A dominant marketplace, a leading cloud provider, a rising digital ad platform, and a logistics powerhouse. It earns today, invests for tomorrow, and builds barriers to competition. That's what great long-term investments do. Tell me in the comments, are you long Amazon or are you waiting for a pullback before buying? I'd love to hear your strategy. If you found this breakdown helpful and want daily AI-powered stock insights and growth ideas, sign up for our free newsletter at ITeachStocks.com. Hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss more deep dives like this one. Thanks for watching Trade Smart and think long.